Hi friends, welcome to Kranti's Maths class. Today I would like to start trigonometry of class 10th. So first of all, what is a trigonometry? So trigonometry is nothing but it is a branch of mathematics, branch of mathematics which deals with sides and angles of right angled triangle. So trigonometry is nothing but it's a branch of mathematics which deals with the sides and angles of right angled triangle. So we know that in right angle triangle there will be three sides and three angles will be. Okay, once it is a right angle triangle. Okay, is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, let us take its angle A, and it is angle B, and it is angle C. So in right angle triangle, always one angle should be 90 degrees, that is angle B 90 degrees. Remaining two angles are acute angles, means below 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with three sides and three angles. Here, what are the three sides? AC, AB and BC are three sides, and three angles are angle A, angle B, angle C. So now here in this right angle triangle, first of all we have to know naming the sides. Naming the sides of right angle triangle. Naming the sides of right angle triangle. So what are the names are present in right angle triangle? Naming the sides of right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, for example, can draw another right angle triangle. Okay, so here let us take it is A and it is B or it is C. So angle is C and angle A and angle B is a right angle triangle. So always namings we can draw namings in two ways. For example, first one is from angle A and from angle C. So from angle A we can say naming, and from angle C also we can say names. So from angle A, first of all from angle A, opposite side of angle A is BC. That's why opposite side from angle A. Opposite side from angle A is BC. Same way, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but highest length of a side is called hypotenuse. Highest length of the side is here AC. That's why AC is the hypotenuse. And from angle A, remaining side. So here BC opposite side completed, hypotenuse AC is completed, remaining side is AB. So remaining side is called adjacent side. Adjacent side is AB. Adjacent side is AB. So in the same way, from angle C also we can say three sides. From angle C. So opposite side of angle C is AB. That's why here opposite side from angle C. Opposite side from angle C is AB. In the same way, from next hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but highest length of a side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is here AC because highest side from both same. Next adjacent side. adjacent side is here AB completed, AC completed. So remaining is from C, adjacent side is BC. So once all of you check, from angle A, opposite side is BC, but from angle C, opposite side is AB. From angle A, opposite BC, from angle C, opposite AB. And in the same, from angle A and from angle C, highest length of a side is hypotenuse only. That's why here hypotenuse is AC, and from angle C also opposite side hypotenuse is AC. Next, from angle A, adjacent side is AB. AB from angle A. The same way, from angle C, adjacent side is BC. Okay, so once again, trigonometry is nothing but branch of mathematics which deals with 3 sides and 3 angles of a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, we know that angle B is 90 degrees in our figure, and angle A and angle C are acute angles. So naming the sides of right angle triangle. Once what are the names of a sides of a right angle triangle, we have to know. So just draw the right angle triangle. So we can say the names in 2 ways. From angle A we can say the names, and from angle C also we can say the names. From angle A, opposite side of A is BC, hypotenuse highest length of a side in a right angle triangle AC, the adjacent side is AB. In the same way, from angle C, opposite side is AB, hypotenuse same way from angle A, that is AC, and next adjacent side is BC. So these are the names of the sides of a right angle triangle in 2 ways. So depends on these 3 sides, opposite side, hypotenuse and adjacent side only. Total trigonometry is depends. Okay, so in the next class we have to say what are the ratios of the trigonometry. Means that is also ratios are also depend on right angle triangle only. So in the next video I will try to say the ratios of right angle triangle. So if you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe my video. After subscribe, don't forget to click bell icon. So thank you very much.